Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the puzzle guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve Kleinkunst puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Jürgen Reiche and made by Siebenstein Spiele. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10, and the object is to fit all 4 parts into the frame. If you like Kleinkunst puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see how to solve this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve this puzzle. So the solution is gonna be following. First you have to remove all parts from the frame and start with this part. You have to put it like this in an upper right corner. Then you have to grab this part and put it in a lower right corner. Next, you have to grab this part and you can put it right in here. And you have just enough space to fit the last part, number 4, and it will go right between all these 3 parts in here. And the puzzle is solved. As you can see, solution looks pretty easy, but it is not so easy to find it. If you like Kleinkunst puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles made by Siebenstein Spiele, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time!